Our first solution, make sure your silent switch is off. So go ahead and disable or turn off silent mode, and then go to your iPhone settings and scroll down, tap on sounds and haptics. In here, go ahead and increase this ringtone and alerts volume, and then press the volume up button and increase your phone volume, and then check your iPhone speaker working or not. The second solution is turn on Bluetooth. Sometimes audio goes to headphones, so all you have to need, go to your iPhone settings, tap on Bluetooth and disable your iPhone Bluetooth, and then go ahead and check or test your iPhone speakers and check the issue. The third solution is check control center audio output. All you have to need, go to your control center and then tap AirPlay icon. In here, make sure it says iPhone speaker. If it shows another device, select iPhone speaker, and then go ahead and check your iPhone speakers working or not. Fourth solution is clean the speaker's grill. Dust can block your sound, so all you have to need is use a soft brush, use dry toothbrush and gently clean the sound speaker, and then go ahead and check your speaker working or not. And the next solution is give a simple restart. Temporary glitches can mute speaker, so give a simple restart. You can use Siri to restart your phone. Just say, "Hey Siri, restart my iPhone."
To confirm, you want to restart this device?
Just tap on restart and restart your iPhone, and then check your speaker working or not. Next solution is disable phone noise cancellation. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then scroll down, tap on audio and visual. In here, tap on background sounds, disable background sounds, tap on back, disable mono audio, also disable add voice isolation, and then go ahead and check your speaker working or not. And the next solution is update your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on general, software update. If you see any update available, go ahead and update your iPhone. And the last and final solution is reset your iPhone all settings. Before that, must backup your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings and tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and select reset all settings.